Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of being distracted while reading? Can't a person just get lost in a good book anymore? Well, I've got some great news for you. The Kindle Paperwhite 16GB is here and it's a total game changer. This thing is lightning fast, waterproof, and top-rated, making it the perfect companion for any bookworm. With its next-generation display, you'll get a higher contrast ratio and 25% faster page turns. It's like having your own personal library at your fingertips. The ultra-thin design is also super portable, and the glare-free screen means you can read anywhere, whether you're on a beach or in a cozy coffee shop. I love that it doesn't have any distracting apps or notifications, just you and your book, pure bliss. Plus, with a battery life that lasts up to 12 weeks, you can get lost in your longest novel without worrying about running out of juice. And the best part, you can adjust the display to read in any light, from bright sunlight to a dark room. It's incredibly versatile. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well loved. Whether you're a casual reader or a book club enthusiast, this Kindle is perfect for anyone who loves to read, so why not give it a try? You won't be disappointed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.